Hey, look at this green, fresh, organic watermelon. Manibalang hinog. More seeds for seedlings. But I'm gonna eat even if it's ripe already. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Hinog na naman. More seedlings. Pitasin na natin. Yep, more seedlings. Ay, wala akong knife. Guys, this is my bitter melon vine. Okay, so na-wash out ng ng rain yung mga alikabok siguro. Oh, maliit lang na paso. And yan, kaumpisa lang set ng male flowers. Pinitas ko naman. Hayaan ko para mag-focus yung energy sa plants. But, you know, I'm waiting for the female flowers. Wala, so far, not yet. It's, like I said, puro lalaki pa yung kanyang binibigay. Pero yung leaves, ang lago. So, ang gagawin natin, kukuha ako ng leaves for my veggies. Okay, pitas-pitas. Yung mga extended vine, hindi ko pa na kasi ito eh. I will go through this, yung extended vines. I'll remove them. Like this one, oh. Sarap sa munggo to eh. Yan eh kung hindi ka picky na bawa. If you are not into bitter taste, so you might not like it. But ako, bitter or not, I don't care as long as I know it is loaded with antioxidants, nutrients that my body needs. I'm for that. Okay, so another extended. Sarap to sa munggo eh. Okay, so kuha na lang ako ng dahon. Itong extended din to. Okay guys. Sige, kita-kits. Ay, piliin ko lang yung maganda. Yes, ang lapad oh. Uy, ang lapad.